story is over, pumahuman na siya, the last leaf ng atong kahuliran, una na ang atong
Daw piging balik sa ato.
Di, kung mabalik, ipadayon ang story. Sige, sige, sige. Sige.
Mabalik din yung bukay sa balik.
Di, kaming photographer.
Okay, gina. The story of Nativity. In those days, Caesar Augustus decided to count everyone left living in the whole Roman world. Joseph left, taking Mary with him right to his town of Bethlehem to register. When they arrived, there were no rooms left. All of the rooms in Bethlehem were right full. There was just one room left for them to stay. Finally, someone offered to let them stay right in their stable. Mary was pregnant, and why in Bethlehem the right time? The right time came for her to give birth. She gave birth to a boy right there. Right there, in a Bethlehem stable, the Savior of the world was born. Mary wrapped him with leftover strips of cloth and laid him right in the manger. Some shepherds who live right near the Bethlehem were out at night, right in their fields, watching over their sheep. Right then, they saw a bright light. The light was so bright that they had to close their eyes. When they opened them again, a beautiful angel was standing right in the sky, right above them, with his arms left open wide. The shepherds looked right at each other